What's up, y'all? It's your boy Manny, aka Local Rican Reacts, and today we're gonna be checking out BTS's Airplane Part 2 music video. Now, like looking through all this, right? You can call me artist. I don't think, I mean, it has 5 million views, but I don't think that's like an official channel for their music videos. Because this says official music video. This doesn't. And then we also have this summer version, which I'm assuming I'm going to just check out these two here. So we got the Japanese version and the summer version. So today we're going to be checking out the Japanese version of Airplane Part 2. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. And this is actually going to be my first BTS music video. And I'm excited. So far I've only seen J-Hope and August D, which is Sugar. So now I get to see the rest of the members. So I'm gonna need y'all help. Who's everyone in each shot? Put some time stats for me so I can go check it out. Snatchums. Oh wait, I just noticed. I ain't got no captions on. Can I not put captions on? I cannot put captions on. Oh man. Oh man. That sucks. Can't put captions on, y'all. I am sorry. Oh, I like this. Sharing the microphone with each other. Okay. Did it say RM? Is that RM? Okay. Oh, get it. I mean, you already know how I feel about this song. I like it a lot. Alright, who's next? J-Hope, right? His voice is so distinct. Yeah, that's J-Hope. Is that the homie August? Yes, that has to be August. Get it. Oh, now they're gonna rain down? Oh no, we're back inside the restaurant. Or the bar. And that's all the BTS members right there. Okay, okay. Wait, is that all the BTS members? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that was 7. Is there 7 of them? We're gonna pause it right there. I was lit. that was fun. Oh man. Oh, we gonna just jump right into the summer one. Hold up. Yeah, we're gonna get that one ready. That's next. Yeah, the summer version's next. All right. That was nice. So that was nice to see the BTS members together for the first time. I know this channel. They've been having some of the other music videos, so I know that one's official. So let me know what you guys thought about BTS's Airplane Part 2 music video in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys enjoyed my reaction to Airplanes Part 2 by BTS, hit that like button. And I'll catch y'all in the next reaction, which is going to be, again, Airplanes Part 2 by BTS. But this time, it's going to be the summer version. So let's get it.